Lupa. Medya. Pistolas.
Okay, guys. So, I'm upgrading my army camp. Also, my barracks. So, level 4. So, maybe I should choose did I pick that? No, but yep. This kind of hard. I hate these hards. There's sometimes very hard to find. How much? So very hard. So hard. It's gonna take for you. Very hard. Well, this does it. Gonna put this. I think I will lose this time. Come on, Tesoro. There we go. Oh, come on, you smiley bones. I'm so messed up. Hey, you're trying to make me confused. You scatter them all. Scattered. You're trying to mess me up. Trying to mess my plan. There for years. It's very hard. But you're like the boss. What's up? Oh yeah, can I go to film? Oh look, I just only one guy. That was very hilarious, but you go somewhere else. You take your hop far away.
Galing bumis na itong bata.
Golden fish? What the? Okay, we just gotta surrender. That's very lazy.
Boom. See? Boom. 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 Ganon. Ano? Boom. 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 Ganon.
Headed of course by our musical director, Mr. Elvir Saison. At simula po March 13 to March 19, araw-araw na po ang Showtime auditions para sa Tawag ng Tanghalan at Star Circle Kids.
Star Circle Kids
Yan, from 9 a.m. to 5
Hindi siya
p.m.
pwede
Dito
gawing
po sa aming ABS-CBN
anong show talaga.
At
Kasi
sa
wala
lahat ng
nang
mga people sa
available.
Cagayan de Oro, pumunta po kayo sa
Kaya
Showtime
di mo
auditions
segment.
para sa TNT at STU Kids sa Chali Beach Resort. May mga staff po sa Showtime na
I swear.
sa Zone
I swear.
Oro, Misamis Oriental.
I swear.
11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
I swear. Joshua. Joshua. Uh-oh. Joshua. 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 Joshua.
Tugbuman, Filipo, Cordova, Cebu, mula 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ang hanapin niyo po si Isay Soryaga. Ang mananalo po sa round na ito ay makakakuha naman po ng 25,000 pesos. Ang hindi naman papalarin ay makukuha kayo ng consolation prize na 10,000 pesos. Kapag nanalo ulit si Rosa Relby Avila, ngayong araw meron na siyang 85,000 pesos na total winnings. Kapag natalo naman siya, meron pa rin siyang matatanggap at iuwi na 70,000 pesos. Siguro kailangan din natin muna natin ang salita ngayon ang ating punong murado bago natin sabihin ang ating desisyon sa araw na ito.
Medyo ulit-ulit mga ganito kasi napakagaling ng mga contestant natin at gusto naman namin ito dahil magandang problema yung nag-uusap kami kung sino ang papanalunin namin. Ngayon, kung sino ang mananalo, congratulations na lang at nagkasundo naman kami kung sino dapat mananalo.
Okay guys, that's all for
Hindi gawin.
Eto na, ang babalik sa Lunes sa Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime.
It's done.
Balik ka?
Bye,
Busy ka?
Sunday, Saturday,
Busy ka?
gonna go right here.
Busy?